Okay, we are just going to start this video, and so we are in the next week's installment of Magical Cooking with Unicorns, or whatever it was so called. I don't remember. We have our winning 8th grade team. Take a bow. Okay, tell me what Miss Ramirez said.
She said if I lose or we lose, we can't come back.
Okay, so I might have to keep you forever. I don't know. And who do we have over here?
Lopez Advisory.
Mrs. Lopez Advisory. Each of you introduce yourself. These guys got introduced last week. You are?
Ari.
And?
Riley.
And?
Alina.
And?
Axel.
Are you here to supervise these silly girls?
Yes.
Okay, so right now
Guys, he's the pretty
they
one.
are organizing their ingredients. Tell me what your secret ingredients were for this waffle.
Marshmallows.
I can't say it. Marshmallows. What was the common ingredient? Strawberries for everybody, whipped cream for everybody. And what are we going with our secret ingredient over here? Strawberry jam and
honey.
and the magical Mrs. Phillips honey. Okay, I did provide each team with a Pop-Tart in case they wanted to incorporate that into their product. So right now they're madly prepping all the magicalness, and we will cut so we can go to the next scene on when they actually start to cook. We are, who's a rookie?
No.
You don't think that's overfilling that? I'm just, okay, no, nobody's a rookie. Okay, all right, let's go. We got start, 6th graders. Open up that waffle maker. Sir, take charge. Look how cautious he is. Pop open the lid. Generously spray the top and the bottom like an expert. Yep, yep. Okay,
Is that too much?
I think it's fine. Okay, when in doubt, use more. Okay, let's add the mix. Let's see how we do this part. Nice. Okay.
I accidentally grabbed it with my hands.
What next? Now we're scooping in the marshmallows and the strawberries.
Add the marshmallows.
Okay.
You have to have a lot of marshmallows.
I agree. Okay.
Add the marshmallows.
You cannot eat it. You add it to the waffle. It's not just for fun. This is serious business. If you want to add it to the waffle. Okay. What are you? What are you? Boss them. Tell them something. Give them some input.
We'll probably cut it up and put it.
Don't burn it.
Oh no!
Oh, say it again.
It overflowed.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
It's
And we have brought back in the judge who was not my favorite because she didn't pick me anyways. But we have final products here. So the 8th grade final product. Okay. Explain to me what you did to make it a little like extra. What do we do?
We put honey, jelly, whipped cream, Pop-Tart on top.
And a little Pop-Tart on top. Okay. Here's our final product for our 6th graders. Okay. Tell me what you guys did.
Huh?
We added a lot of marshmallows and strawberries in the batter in the beginning, so there's
And then-
strawberry throughout.
Okay.
And then my really artistic stuff, I put the whipped topping on, and then strawberries, and then more strawberries.
Okay. Aesthetically,
That's flat.
which one looks better?
Which one looks better?
But sometimes the stuff that doesn't taste or look good
That's not too much.
doesn't necessarily taste bad. Okay, Miss Jocelyn, dig in.
Okay.
Which one you
let's
gonna start
try
with?
this one first.
Okay, sounds good.
Let's see.
We already did a pre-check to make sure Miss Jocelyn does not have diabetes, does
No,
not
yet.
does not have a gluten intolerance,
No.
not yet.
Okay, I want to get a little bit of everything. I see marshmallows, Pop-Tart, strawberry.
There's also marshmallows.
I did think marshmallow was a good idea.
This is pretty good.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Not sweet enough.
Oh, oh,
Okay.
oh.
You should get some from the middle. Yeah. All right. Get some from the middle.
Hey, no free grazing.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, let's see.
No free grazing. That gets you disqualified.
Okay. This one's very interesting.
Okay.
It's like a whole bunch of flavors that just burst in your mouth.
Oh, that's a good, that's, okay, okay,
So it's not overwhelming, not too sweet.
okay.
But I like this one because you get the last flavor of Pop-Tart in it.
Yes,
So that's
okay.
pretty good. It's good.
Pop-Tart was my idea.
Oh,
What do you mean, no?
Yeah, no, it was.
Okay.
okay. Who's next? Who's
No,
trying?
that's it. So
Okay.
who won? Miss Jocelyn, this is the
I'm
part
gonna
you really...
lean to this side.
Okay.
I love my 6th graders. but
Okay.
this
Well,
one's pretty
it's good because Miss Ramirez said they couldn't go back if they didn't win, so,
Oh,
yeah.
well, send them back to her. Send it
Okay,
back.
okay, okay. And we have another winner from the 8th grade. The 6th graders, you had a great idea with the marshmallows. Okay, okay. Better luck next time. It's okay. She chose against me last week, so I know how you feel. I know exactly how you feel right now in this moment.
You tried. That's
Yeah.
the best.
Okay. Okay. Everybody take a bow. And we're out. So, to end the video, Miss Arnold tried a science experiment. Since I'm only left with my 6th graders, we are going to see what happens if you just put straight marshmallows into the waffle maker.
I think it's burnt, Miss Arnold. That did nothing.
Oh, that.
Do you think that was a good idea?
Yeah.
I think maybe you should put marshmallows.
You're the one that encouraged me to do it, and that's what turned
I
out.
have a better idea for that though.
Well, it's
Put
too late now.
marshmallows as the base.
Well, it's too late.
And then put waffle batter on
Okay,
top
so
of
now
it.
we know don't put marshmallows in the base.